Hello everyone, hope you all are good. We already completed two chapters of class 10th section physics, that are chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. Chapter 12 is electricity and chapter 13 is magnetic effects of electric current. So let's start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is light reflection and refraction. Light reflection and refraction. So first of all, related topic from this chapter is, that is application of spherical mirrors and lenses. First of all, write down the deleted topic for the session 2020 and 21. Deleted topic is application of spherical mirror and lenses. Spherical mirror and lenses. For this session 2020 and 21, CBSE students not doing this topic. This is deleted from the syllabus. So let's start with the chapter. Chapter name is light, reflection and refraction. So first question, that is, what is light? What is light? So बच्चे, in a dark room you are not able to see the objects, but when you switch on the light you are able to see everything in the room. So what makes the things visible? That is light. Because of the light you are able to see everything in the room. So light क्या है बच्चे? That is a source of energy. Light is a source of energy. Which enable us to see the object. Now बच्चे, from the transparent medium light is transmitted, so you are able to see through the transparent medium. From transparent medium, light is transmitted. Light is transmitted. Means to say that light pass हो जाती है from the transparent medium. So you are able to see through transparent medium. You are able to see through transparent medium. Now there are so many phenomena or beautiful phenomena that is related with the light. For example, image formation by the mirror and lenses, twinkling of stars, and colorful rainbow. That all are because of the light. Now बच्चे, during the day sunlight आपको क्या करती है? Help करती है to see the objects. During day sunlight help us to see the objects. Help us to see the objects. Now number of phenomena I just tell you, that is twinkling of stars, colorful rainbow, image formation by mirrors and lenses. So bending of light है बच्चे by a medium and soon a study of property of light help us to see all these phenomena. Study of light help us to see, observe or help us to observe all the phenomena. आप नोट कर लो बेटा, that is twinkling of stars, image formation, by mirror and lenses, colorful rainbow, colorful rainbow. That all phenomena, that is because of light. Note down बच्चे. Okay. So by observing all the phenomena, we consider light travels in a straight line. But if the opaque object on the path of light become very small, if opaque object in the path of light is small, then light has a tendency, to scatter. Light has a tendency to bend around it, और scatter भी लिख सकते हो, bend around it. यहां पे ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? ओपेक. इसमें से लाइट पास नहीं होती. अगर ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज बिग है तो वो शैडो कास्ट कर देगा बच्चे. आपने शैडो देखा होगा जहां से लाइट पास नहीं होगी. अगर इस ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज स्मॉल है, देन लाइट की टेंडेंसी है वो क्या हो जाएगी? इसके आसपास बेंड हो जाएगी, बेंड अराउंड इट. And this phenomena is known as diffraction of light, and this is called diffraction of light. So to explain this diffraction, light is considered as a wave. Light is considered as a wave. अब बच्चे हमने रीड कर लिया कि लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एज वेल एज लाइट इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ वेव. But sometimes it also fails because light is also considered as a stream of particles. Light is also considered as a stream of particles. ये थ्योरी आपकी inadequate थी, means to say that insufficient for treatment of interaction of light with matter. वहां पे क्या सपोज किया जाता था कि लाइट इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ particle. Now बच्चे, there is confusion about the nature of light for some years. कि लाइट क्या है, वेव है या पार्टिकल है. इट्स अ लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजन फॉर सम इयर्स until modern quantum theory of light emerged. Until modern quantum theory is emerged. According to this, light is neither a wave nor a particle. According to this, light is neither a wave nor a particle. Note down the thing. Okay. So according to the new theory, light reconciles as a particle as well as wave. Light is considered as particle as well as wave. So dual nature means to say light both as well as particle as well as wave behave कर रही थी. That nature is called dual nature of light. Dual nature of light. Now बच्चे, from the above discussion we observe that light has, there are two theories of light. One is wave theory and other one is particle theory. According to the wave theory, light is considered, or light is a form of energy which is propagated as electromagnetic waves. According to the wave theory, light is considered as wave. which is propagated as an electromagnetic wave, which is propagated as an electromagnetic wave, also called non-mechanical wave. Note down बच्चे. And does not require, or it does not require, any material medium for its propagation. Medium that are solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Note down much. Next is, note कर लो बेटा आप, the speed of light in vacuum is the speed of light in vacuum. Vacuum is where no air or no medium. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Note down much. And the speed of light in vacuum, note down, the speed of light in vacuum is greater than the speed of light in medium. That is all according to the wave theory. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now next, particle theory tells us that light is behave as a particle, or light consists of particles which travel in a straight line. Light consists of particles travels in a straight line. That are called photons. Photons are packet of energy. Or quanta of energy. That is just introduction of chapter light, reflection and refraction. Note down बच्चे. Okay. ना बच्चे जब लाइट किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे फॉल करती है वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके हमारी आईज पे, देन आईज क्या करती हैं, इमेज बनता है उसके रेटिना, देन वो सेंसेस भेजता है टू द ब्रेन और वी आर एबल टू सी और रिकॉग्नाइज द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो फिनोमेना इज रिफ्लेक्शन. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे व्हेन लाइट फॉल ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट, light has a property to reflect back. That is reflection. So write down when light falls on object. When light falls on object, three things may happen. Three things may happen. First one is a part of light rays, a part of light rays may be absorbed. May be absorbed. Second is a part of light ray may come back to the same medium. Second is a part of light ray may come back to the same medium. Which gives the phenomena of phenomenon of reflection of light. Reflection of light. Note down बच्चे. And third one is a part of light ray, a part of light ray may be transmitted, may be transmitted, which gives the phenomenon of refraction of light. Refraction of light. Note down बच्चे. Just underline, that is refraction of light. That is all, just a little bit introduction about this chapter. Now we discuss each and every topic in detail. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now first term we discuss it in detail, that is reflection of light. Note down बच्चे. First term is a reflection of light. Simple definition reflection of light का, that is bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface. Bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface. From a reflecting surface is called a reflection of light. That is in the same medium. You can mention in the bracket, in the same medium. That is the definition of reflection of light. Let us more clear with the help of diagram. Suppose this is the mirror. Marked as M and M dash. Just draw a light ray, that is with the help of a source of light, that is torch. Now बच्चे जिस पॉइंट पे लाइट फॉल कर रही है, suppose it mark as O, and this point is called point of incidence. Point of incidence. जो लाइट फॉल कर रही है, that is called incident ray. That is called incident ray. Now जो लाइट बच्चे रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है, that is called reflected ray. Third, that we draw a normal in between the incident ray and the reflected ray, represented with N. Draw the diagram. Then we discuss or write down the each and every term. First term is in reflection of light is incident ray. Incident ray. Light which falls on the mirror. Light which falls on the mirror is called incident ray. लाइट जो फॉल कर रही है मिरर पे, दैट इज इंसिडेंट रे. सेकंड है आपका रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. Reflected ray. Light which comes back. Light which comes back after striking with mirror. After striking with mirror is called a reflected ray. Here is light which comes back after striking with the mirror. That one is the reflected ray. थर्ड है आपका नॉर्मल. Normal, that is also called perpendicular. So light which drawn between the incident ray which is drawn between the और light ray, सिंपल आप रे मेंशन कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, which is drawn between incident ray and reflected ray, and reflected ray is called normal. Light which is drawn between, or ray which is drawn between the incident ray or reflected ray. You just mention here ray. You don't get confused. Just write down ray which is drawn between the incident ray and the reflected ray, that is called normal one. Note down the check. Okay. Two more terms are here, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. First, write down angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. First, let us clear from the diagram the angle drawn between the incident ray and the normal one. The angle drawn between the incident ray and the normal one is called angle of incidence. Now note down angle drawn between incident ray and the normal, and the normal is called angle of incidence. Is called angle of incidence, represented with angle I. Represented with angle I. You can mark the symbol of angle, that is I. So this one is the angle of incidence. Now fifth term is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection, that is angle drawn between the normal and the reflected ray, or reflected ray or normal. Angle drawn between the reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. Note down angle drawn between normal and the reflected ray. Normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection and represented with angle R. Note down मुझे. Okay. Next one is laws of reflection. Next topic is law of reflection. So here two laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First one is, or first law, incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal one. And the normal one. All lies in the same plane. All lies in the same plane. मीन्स टू सर सिंगल प्लेन में ये तीनों रेस, थ्री रेस लाई करेंगे, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड द नॉर्मल वन. सेकेंड लॉ टेल्स अस दैट second law tells us that angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. In short form, you can write it as angle I is equal to angle R. Means to say that if light falls or at an angle of 50 degree, then angle of reflection is also 50 degree. Note down the check. Okay. So this is just a little bit introduction, and we discuss the topic reflection of light and laws of reflection in detail. Next topic that we start is image, or what is image. Image क्या है बेटा? You just go through the topic, or you can answer me in comments or WhatsApp me. Image क्या है? We discuss it in the next lecture, and if you like my lecture, then please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel Prosperous Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.